Ever wondered how steam is generated for various applications? The answer lies in the heart of a machine known as a boiler. These devices heat water to produce steam, which is then used for a multitude of purposes, from heating buildings to powering steam engines, and even generating electricity. Today we'll delve into the different types of boilers and how they operate. First up, we have firetube boilers. These work by allowing hot gases to pass through tubes submerged in water. As the gas travels through, it transfers heat to the water via the tube walls, generating steam. These boilers are typically employed in low to medium pressure applications due to their design and functionality. Next, we encounter water tube boilers. Here the roles are reversed. Water-filled tubes carry water through the boiler while hot gases envelop them. The heat from the gases warms the water through the tube walls, creating steam. Water tube boilers are generally chosen for high-pressure applications, such as in power plants. Electric boilers are another variety. These machines use electricity to generate heat, which in turn produces steam or hot water. They often find use in scenarios where electricity is readily available and appreciated for their simplicity and cleanliness. Package boilers, on the other hand, come factory-built and assembled, complete with boiler, burner, control systems, and other necessary components. Their compact nature makes them a perfect fit for certain industrial and commercial applications. Then there are condensing boilers, designed to capture and reuse the heat that would usually be lost in the flue gases. They achieve higher efficiency by condensing water vapor in the exhaust gases, extracting additional heat in the process. Combi boilers, or combination boilers, cleverly combine the functions of a central heating boiler and a water heater. They provide both space heating and hot water from a single unit, making them compact and efficient. Fluidized bed combustion boilers use a bed of particles, often sand or limestone, suspended in an upward-flowing gas to combust fuel. This method allows for efficient combustion, and these boilers are frequently utilized in power plants. Lastly, we have biomass boilers. These machines use organic materials, such as wood or agricultural residues, as fuel. They're a sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuel boilers and can contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. So boilers play a pivotal role in a myriad of industries, providing a reliable and efficient source of heat for processes and space heating. The choice of boiler type relies on several factors, such as the application, required pressure and temperature, fuel type, and efficiency considerations. Understanding these types and their functions brings us one step closer to appreciating the intricate mechanics of our daily lives.